Good evening, one and all. My name is Tarun Rastogi, class 11B. Today I am here to speak on my topic online versus offline classes uh, for English activities. So let's start. Online, as we all know, we are going through pandemic door because of COVID-19. So many of the children are attending online classes through means of through means of internet and other devices such as computers, laptops, or tablets and mobile phones, etc. But they are taking online classes on different types of applications such as Teams, Zoom, Meet, which through which they are able to enhance their knowledge about technologies, and teachers are also helping them about how to use these apps, and they are sending their work on their WhatsApp groups and other types of medias, and they are able to teach teach the students through video conferencing, and each and every student can clear their doubts in query sessions. Yeah, every teacher held their query session, whether it is of physics or chemistry or biology, etc. And in offline classes, we used to take the classes in schools, colleges, and other institutions where we used to study. So in offline classes, teachers were used to interact face to face with the students and can clear their doubts hand by hand. And teachers used to go in the schools, and they used to interact with other students, and they used to have query session, they used to have quizzes in the schools. And so this is the offline classes. The disadvantages of online classes is that some people are not aware of these apps and technologies, that and they are not able to use it more effectively as we are able to use, or you are able to use. So they are facing problems in such as network issues. They are not able to use that link and use that app, and sometimes the mic is not working, or any type of technological issues they are facing. But in offline classes, they don't have any issues. They used to just open the book, and they used to read the chapter, or they used to solve the problems on the boards, etc. But teachers are also helping them to how to use these apps, and whether we face any problem or not. And technology is very upgraded, so every children knows that how to use this app also. So and some children are not going in offline classes because of this COVID-19, as we are going through a pandemic tour of coronavirus. So we are maintaining social distancing and not going to schools and colleges, so that we can be safe and healthy. In offline classes, we used to interact with teachers more effectively than in online classes, because teachers used to hand by hand solve our problems. We don't have to do any messages on WhatsApp or chat groups, etc. But now we are used to it. We are able to enhance our knowledge about technology more instead of studies, because we are facing lots of problems. And now we are sending messages to teachers or sir or ma'am, any who is teaching you, that sir, this is the problem I am facing. And so teacher would take some time to reply you back, and sometimes he might not even see the message, or so your problem remains the same. That, and in the offline classes, the teacher used to hand by hand solve a problem, and we were able to score more marks in exams. Now we are not able to score such a good grade because of this virus, because no one is there to clear our doubts all the time. As we were in school, we used to get all the knowledge, and more efficiently teachers were used to teach us. But now teachers are not able to teach that much easily that were in the school, because teachers are not also aware about these apps more effectively and more thoroughly. So, but teachers are working hard for teaching us in online classes and offline classes both. So we must respect teachers, that they are working so hard to teach us and to make our future better.